32 days at Marina Lanzarote and we're leaving.
It's time to go.
Let's go pick up the new boom. Exciting. How are the sea states today, Martin?
Flat as a pancake.
A little bit different to our last sail.
Oh yeah.
Castle de San Gabriel, Grand Hotel, Marina Lanzarote, and over here is the Castillo de San Jose. Bye!
We might be lucky with the wind. What about that?
Just put the head sail up.
Yeah.
Engines off. What we do?
Between 2.5 and 3.5 knots.
It's not bad.
That'll do. I'll get us there today.
We came from, over there is Arrecife, where the big building is, tallest building in Lanzarote. And we sailed all the way and we're going to Calero, which is just over there. It's a bit blooming close, mate. Volcan de Tira. Tatey, he's going to Tenerife then. The peace and quiet of sailing. Lovely.
Lovely.
And the sun's out.
Yeah, sun's out.
Calm seas.
Sailing, brah!
Nearly there. It's just there. But the sail here has been absolutely spectacular. Hot, beautiful volcanoes in the background, blue sky, only slightly breezy. But yeah, trying to sail with the Genoa. Can't say we're not trying.
Just berthed up in Puerto Calero, and we need to walk around to the boatyard now to collect our new second-hand boom.
Exciting!
But we don't quite know where it is, so...
Just get into the boatyard. Pick up the boom. Don't know how to get in, like. Entrada. That's not it, is it? Shipyard.
Okay, this side.
Awesome.
Can I come through? Yeah? Okay, coming through. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Do you want to? You go closer.
Got it. Yeah.
You've got it. Well, you just said you got it. Let's close the door.
Is that it? That's it, yeah. Brilliant. So I put the rail on the boat. Does it won't go in the car?
I just sent you a text to say, do you want
Did
to
you?
put in the rail?
I've been working on a mast.
No worries, we just thought we had a one there.
Well, it needs the rail putting on it,
Right.
for sure.
Through there,
It just
doesn't it?
slides in there.
Okay, right.
So it slides in, and then we've got to find the hole where the end caps go, the stops.
Right.
And then just drill them and put them in.
Right.
And then it's done.
Right,
Everything else is done. I mean, you see I had to do this.
Yeah.
And that I had to make bigger because the other boom was narrower than this. It was only
Yeah.
this big. So this had to be made again.
Awesome.
So that's the bit that goes on the mast.
Yep.
So I think it should be all right because the rope comes out of there and goes down to the boat, I think.
It does,
doesn't
yeah.
So I hope this bit's going to be okay.
Smashing.
Don't break
Don't
it
break
before
it
we...
first. Actually a better quality one than you had on your boat.
Right. As long as it doesn't bend in half.
Well, it won't bend in half so easily as the other one. But, I mean, if you tried hard enough, you could probably bend any of them, you know.
Yeah.
But
Right, I'll go and get the...
this is stronger than the other one. So all these are all yours.
Excellent.
All these are put on.
Excellent.
So it should be okay. Yeah?
And the bit on the end is slotted in nicely.
This bit's on the other end, and then I had to put these screws in it.
Yeah.
So that's you know, I
Yeah.
only had one, so it's the same. I had to obviously cut this all out.
Yeah.
And the bit inside out. I left all these on as well because
Yeah, no
you might
worries.
need it
Yeah,
for
why
something.
not?
You know, better to have it than not.
So I need to put the rope onto this string to pull it through the boom, yeah?
That's why I put this when I put it
Yeah.
on, so you'd be able to get the line through. You know.
Fantastic.
How long are you going to stay? Just today or tomorrow, or what's the plan?
Well, we're going down to Rubicon this afternoon.
But you have to go down this afternoon, yeah?
Yeah.
It's quite heavy, this one. It's a lot heavier than yours.
Yeah, that's gonna work.
Is it supposed to only be halfway?
Yeah, but it's supposed to be all the way down there.
Boom, Mark II.
Well, we've got some nice little bag sleeve things on here. We can figure out what to do with them.
Put fairy lights through 'em.
Yeah.
New plan.
Yeah.
Boom's not finished. And it would take at least another 3 to 4 hours to finish it, and it's getting on in the day.
Yeah, we want to get back to, well, we want to get to Marina Rubicon and get settled in, don't we?
Before it gets dark.
Before it gets dark.
So we're leaving the boom here for now. It's
Yeah.
going to get finished off, and we're going to have a lovely, lovely sail
Yeah.
back round here, get the boom put on. Yes. What is the day today?
Today is collecting the boom day.
Collecting the boom.
Yeah, so we left Marina Rubicon at about 9:30 this morning. A short sail up the east coast of Lanzarote to Puerto Calero, where the rigger, Clive, has our new second-hand boom in his boatyard. And we'll take it back to Marina Rubicon this afternoon where we'll fit it ourselves. Exciting days. Let's make this boat whole again.
Oh, it's tight. Yeah.
Yeah. You want to rest it on the rails there and wait, and I'll wait for you to get on maybe.
Careful.
Brilliant.
We have a boom.
So what are you going to do then? You're heading off now?
Yeah, we'll just go back to Rubicon.
Now for the hard part.
Right, so we need to untie the vang from the mast
Okay.
and lie that down here,
Okay.
right? Then we're going to attach the boom here,
Right.
the compression pin.
Yeah.
Boom's going to be out here, and we lift the vang up, attach the vang, and then it's just a case of putting all the ropes back on.
So where's the boom going to be as we're attaching it to here?
Well, I think if we put that to one side, we can just lift the end up here, like that,
Right.
attach it.
And what about threading the ropes through?
We'll do that once it's on.
Brilliant. Boom fit day.
So,
Yeah. What are we doing with the topping lift then? 'Cause isn't it the wrong way over?
it's a swap now. We're going to need another one of these shackles. We've got one, we've got a spare one.
We're going to have to try and flick it round.
There we go.
Give it a nice little flick. Whee! And again.
It's not easy doing this with a severe case of vertigo.
Come on, you can do it. Why don't you stand on the dock? Whoa! No, I've got vertigo.
Yeah, no, looking up there, really freaking out.
Yay! Our topping lift is free.
Freedom!
Freedom! Reset. Reset. Here we go.
Take this compression pin out.
You need to take the compression pin out.
Yeah.
Jelko!
Alan!
More than likely one of us is going to go in the water. I just hope it's not the boom. You said doing this ourselves was a good idea?
Truth. Let's go back a little bit.
It's not going back.
Okay. Right. To me.
Yeah, come on, move it.
Okay, alright.
Have you got it?
Just, yeah, got it.
Right. What am I doing?
Can you line up the fittings?
Oh, you've got it.
Yeah, got it.
No.
Just. The bloody spray hood is just in the way. Right, can you go down there? And you'll just have to lift it up a little bit. Oh, that's the heavy end.
Right.
In fact, if you can just lift it to this side over the wooden rail. Back a bit.
Baby, you're going to end up dropping this.
No, I'm not. Can you just let it go back a bit?
No.
Just put it down.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Right, to me. You got it?
Just about. You're going to have to hurry up.
Yeah, I'm trying my best.
Dave, hurry.
Yeah. Right.
Dave, hurry.
You make sure that doesn't slip, right? Okay, twist it.
Baby. Is it on?
Yep.
Yay! Half on. My hands are getting rather sweaty. It's getting cramp in my leg here. If this slips again, I am buggered. My hands are soaking wet. What's the plan now then?
Right, so now we've got to get the vang on.
Oh
But
god.
I'm wondering whether to put the topping lift on and then we can just hoist it up.
Can you?
Yeah,
Oh, let's try do that then.
yeah, which means I need the shackle. Well, we could actually use one of the halyards to do it. That would probably be the best thing, wouldn't it?
And this can definitely lift the board by itself.
Yeah.
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Is that not high enough yet to
No.
put the vang on?
No, not even close. Hold it. No, more. Okay, that's enough. Stop. Okay. Loosen it off.
Loosen it off.
Yeah.
Sure.
Slowly.
Oh, it's loose.
Right, good.
Are we on?
We're on. Woo-wee. Right. Tighten on the thing.
Tighten on the back.
Well, actually, we could attach these. Yeah.
You're the captain. It seems longer than our last boom. I'm losing my legs are jelly. I'm gonna have to have a beer. Calm down. Do you want me to swing it out a bit?
Yeah.
Glad you know what you're doing.
I know what I'm doing.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
I know what I'm doing.
Right, you're gonna do a proper knot in here, aren't you?
Yeah.
What type of knot are you doing?
Bowline.
A bowline.
Right, I'm going to tighten this all up.
Don't tighten it too much, babe, so it knocks me out.
Not quite right here. We're missing a piece of the puzzle. Those are the long way around, and there you nugget.
Before you tighten it up, did you want to take the rope off the end?
Yep.
Oh, baby, no.
What?
That's not staying up.
Where the bangs the point? Oh, ball sacks. Brilliant.
What are you doing now?
So we are going to pull the outhaul through over the top.
Over the top. Wait. Right, you're in.
Ah.
You got it.
No, this is not going to work.
What's happened?
Well, the riggers put the travel car on the wrong way round. This is supposed to be at the back. And that's a royal pain in the aim. Because I can just take this off and slide it off the end, maybe. I could try doing that.
Good job. What is that bit?
I've no idea.
What's this bit for?
Don't know yet.
I undid the knot for that.
Another bow line on here, what do you reckon?
Another bow line, yes. Right. Are we on?
That's it. That's it. The boom is on. Let's go sailing. First time back on the water with a full complement of sails.
A fresh boom.
Fresh boom. So not wishing to sound too rude, but shall we get it out?
Why?
Everybody's on the water.
What are they doing? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe. Help us make more videos like this by joining our Patreon family.